Right. Hello friends, welcome to another adventure of exploring Florida. Today we're going to the shell factory. Now I know you think it's shells. If you like this kind of video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe. I'm Wendy and come along with us. Like I said, we're going to the shell factory. I know you think it's a whole bunch of shells, like we're going to see where like shells are reproduced or whatever, you know, that are in the ocean, like seashells. But from the website, that's not what it looks like. So let's go see what it is together. We went to the back side of it and we were like, And we don't know if we have to wear masks, so we have them just in case. Cause you know, who knows? It looks kind of neat. It's not shells yet. So we'll see. We'll see. So there's Pet, which we are going to do. And then there's like paddle boats over here. It's a giant black swan right there. Yeah. So yeah, we don't know what it is. There's also a nature trail with animals. So we'll see. You'll see what we see when we see it. Like water speedboats. Whole bunch of turtles just chilling out right there. Where are the turtles? No. The fish. And then there's turtles right here. And look at the oh my gosh, here they all come. I think they think we're gonna feed them. We're not feeding you. Oh, a turtle's coming. You see him over there? He's not showing up in camera.
He's like, nope, I'm going back.
Oh. How funny. You see the pretty Harry?
He did this.
Red-footed tortoise. He did what?
He did this. And giggle, look at me and giggle.
Harry. Harry. Hi, baby. Yeah, you just gonna look? Let's look. Let's go. We can go over the ramp. Groupon. Tickets to the nature park is $13 for an adult, $8 for children. 3 and under are free. We got a Groupon. Always look for Groupons, I always say. And then we got mini golf with it too, so we're gonna do that. But we're just gonna see what kind of animals they have here. So far, a lot of turtles, so that makes one of the girls extremely happy. But yeah, let's have some more fun. I love it. I'm doing it. There's turtles. Look at those ducks. Can Harry see the ducks? They're ducks. So are they called a fishing cat because they catch fish?
Yep, they catch fish, crawfish, frogs, anything. They're actually from South and Southeast Asia.
Oh, okay.
Southeast Asia, and they're in your wetlands region. They have been known to go up to the Appalachian Mountains up to 4,500 feet. Dig it. Just gotta realize your fish here. There you go. Come on. There you go. Good girl.
Oh, that's cool.
You got it. You got it.
The Tara, we think? We're not quite sure how to say that. He's right there. He was just squeaking. See if I'm off this way. No, he's just itching. What's in here? Oh gosh, it's a raccoon. Look at the raccoon on him. It's just chilling. Is there one in the hole? In the tube? Oh yeah. Oh man. How fun. Maybe it's on this side. Here's the Reptile Zone. Cool.
Are there snakes wandering about?
Hopefully not. Mommy will scream. And not in a pretty way. We're gonna go this way. Harry loves animals and he wants to hug them all.
That one's like icing down here.
That's an alligator snapping turtle.
So you see?
Look at the little gator. Oh, we found the rocks. Look here. Look at the alligator, Harry. They're Flemish giants. We're eating the salad with the big iguana. It was cute. Then we have some donkeys over here, which Joey's gonna be super jelly when she sees this vlog. She had work today. He is so cute. Oh, love donkeys. Look at that Kinkajou has a question why it's sleeping. Now we're going into dinosaurs.
I love this one.
Goofy the camel is right over there. He's like bellowing. We were told by one of the keepers that his name is Goofy. Look at these little Nigerian dwarfs. Oh my gosh. You see him, baby? There's goats. There's some alpacas. Huh? Oh.
It's a real living.
That's a potbelly pig. That's a potbelly.
Oh, look at the calf. You are stinking cute. Makes me miss Arendelle. There's a zebra.
Caution, I bite.
This is what I'm excited for. You're entering the largest gift store in the USA, also the largest retail store, shell store in the world. Our exhibits and museums are free. Enjoy. A whole lot of shells here.
Can we get this for Grandpa Howie?
Grandfather, let the spoiling begin. Slow down. Ooh, I kind of like that one. Actually like the shape of that one too. Lazy but lazy. Harry.
Harry.
Hi. Okay, come on. Oh. I love Christmas. Halloween Village. Ooh, I like these. These are cool. Oh, yeah. This. Oh, Kenny, watch your backpack, dude. This would be cool. We're playing some mini golf. This course are actually kind of hard, huh? For mini golf, these courses are a little hard, huh? Yeah. Good job, bud. It's kind of nice. It's really nice. It's in the shade and it's windy today. Like you can see the trees are blowing. Harry's angry. All right, we are done. Overall, it was pretty cool.
Yeah.
The Christmas store was nice. Shouldn't take a 1-year-old to a Christmas store with all the glass, but he didn't break anything, so there's that. The nature park was really cool. It's where all the animals were. Putt-putt was fun. It was shaded, so it wasn't as hot as you'll see in the video before this. We went to a different putt-putt place, and it was like I finally had to stop and get Harry out of there because it was so hot because there was no shade at all. But now we're on our way home. We're gonna have some dinner. If you guys, girls, what'd you think? What's your favorite part? The goats were cute. Ken? Golfing was your favorite part? Yeah, what'd you like, Don?
Yeah. Maybe just all the animals.
Yeah, I like the animals too. Joey's gonna want to come back. They had cows and donkeys, so we'll have to come back another time with Joey. Always look for a Groupon or a coupon or something before you do anything, because you can usually find great deals. Like we got, it would have cost us just to go to the nature park. How much? $26, $48, $44. $52 for us to just, it was shaded. It was actually kind of difficult, huh? Like it wasn't just a typical like go around a ledge. It was like, it was kind of hard. But the nature park was really cool. And to get into there, it would have cost us $52. You can go to like the Christmas store and the gift shops and all of that are free. There's a restaurant. We didn't go to the restaurant, obviously. And so like the gift shop was really, really nice, except for with the 1-year-old, he wants to walk. So he was a little antsy in there. He didn't break anything, so he was really good. But the nature walk would have cost $52 and I got a Groupon for $24. So always check for coupons, always check for Groupons. They're amazing. Like you can even get a Groupon now. Let's say and your trip isn't for like another like 6 weeks. They're usually still good. I get Groupons for everything. If you like this kind of video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and we'll see you in our next Florida adventure.